How to fix HITV app can't download issue. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you are trying to download the HITV app but it's just not working, you are in the right place. I'll walk you through some easy steps to fix this problem and get the app downloaded in no time. So let's get started. First, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Open another app or browser to see if it's working. Slow or weak internet can sometimes prevent downloads. Next, if your storage is full, you won't be able to download new apps. Go to settings, tap on storage and clear up some space if needed by deleting unused apps, photos or files. Next, update your App Store or Google Play Store. Outdated versions of App Store or Google Play Store can cause download issues. Make sure your App Store is up to date by going into its settings and checking for updates. For Android users, clearing the app's cache can help. Go to settings, tap on application, then go to Google Play Store and tap on storage and tap clear cache. For iPhone users, restarting the device can also help refresh the App Store. Finally, if the issue persists, restart your device. A quick reboot can often resolve temporary glitches that are stopping the download. And that's it. With these simple steps, you should be able to download the HITV app without any issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and drop a comment below if you have any further questions. Thank you for watching and we will see you again in the next video.